If you're a real estate agent and you're wanting to get consistency, predictability, and momentum with your marketing, I'm going to be walking through a 12-month marketing plan with you on this video. Now, I'm Trevor, the CEO of Carrot. We work with thousands and thousands of real estate professionals around the country, and we help them gain momentum, predictability, and consistency. Now, I want to bring up an email that we got recently from a client of ours, and Tim on our team brought it up to my attention. And so we said, let's shoot a video and let's walk agents through exactly how to finally build a business that gets you freedom, that gets you flexibility, that gets you what you want, and not what a lot of other agents have, which is this treadmill, hamster wheel of the business where they're always trying to keep up with their leads, always trying a new lead method, and they never have momentum. So basically what this client was saying was, I need to do something right now to get leads coming in right now. Let's set up a landing page on the Carrot system. Let's drive some Facebook ads to it. And you can do that. But whenever we actually dive into our marketing plan that I'm going to go through here, that's going to give you the freedom and momentum that you're looking for, a lot of agents go, that seems like it's going to take too long. That seems like it's a little bit too much work. I want to ask you this question. If you're looking out in 12 months and 24 months in your business, I want you to ask yourself this question and be real with yourself, because this is critical to your future in your business. What type of business do you want in 12 months and 24 months? Do you want one where you can wake up each and every month and have some sort of predictability around the lead flow that you're going to get? Do you want to wake up and have consistency in your lead flow? Have consistency knowing that you're getting really high quality leads on an everyday or at least every week basis that you can turn into commissions and transactions? And also, do you want to stop getting off of the treadmill of all these Facebook changes and having to launch this ad and this ad and all these one-time quick hit marketing methods that are here today and gone tomorrow? Okay, do you want that, or do you want a business that builds momentum and consistency? I'm going to show you how to do that. Okay, the first thing you need to do this, look through this. Is this you? Or do you have inconsistency in your lead flow right now? Are you not standing out with your marketing? Are you doing the same thing that everybody else is because you're not bringing what's unique about you to the future, to the front with your clients? Do you have low conversions? You're sending a ton of traffic through your Facebook ads to landing pages, but it takes 100 people to actually turn into a transaction. Do you have low conversion? Is your lead flow unpredictable? Is it really random, not strategic? You heard about someone in this Facebook group launching a landing page for a home value thing. You want to do the same thing, but you do that and it works kind of mediocre, but it's not really strategic. It's just a random act. And then are you getting low engagement in your marketing? Once again, it takes a lot of people to convert. I want to get you to this. We're going to get you to consistency, momentum, predictability, highly engaged prospects, high margins, the highest margins, the most motivated people that you can even possibly work with, and high conversions. That's what we want to change you to. So here's the plan. Okay, when we're working with a client, it's kind of a 1-2 punch. It's a short-term, quicker hit marketing strategy that you stack on top of your long-term momentum building strategy. Most agents just focus on the short-term quick hit marketing strategy, which you're going to always stay in that hamster wheel that I talked about before. But if you stack it on top of something that builds momentum, that builds credibility, that builds trust with you, that's always going to be there, then that's where you really get the momentum and the freedom in your business that you want to do. If you think about it, all the Facebook posts and the Facebook ads that you're putting out there are pretty short term. You might put a Facebook post out today, and really people probably aren't going to see that post next week. So you've always got to do the new thing to have something online for people to see. With an ad, ads can be long term. Ads can work long term. But of course, Facebook changes their algorithm quite a bit. We all know that they changed their interest options in there a lot lately. So your options for really targeting the best people are lower now, right? But with content and building credibility and getting ranked well in Google, that's where you get massive momentum, because when you put a piece of content up on Google and people are going to Google and searching for problems like best real estate agent in insert city, or North Umpqua River homes for sale, or whatever it is, your content's going to be online forever as long as you have your website. And if you have a website that loads fast and it's built for search engine optimization, built to rank well in Google, you're going to have a really great chance to get that content in front of your best searchers, the most motivated people who are looking for your solution, and it's going to build momentum as you get more and more content out every week. Now let's look at this. That blue line is Facebook, okay? And we actually use Facebook a lot. We're just saying you should do both in tandem. This is how you truly build an amazing business. So a lot of agents are going to launch some Facebook ads or launch some Facebook posts, and it can work. It works great. But the problem is it doesn't build momentum. You can see that blue dot is just kind of staying the same, right? It stays the same, sometimes even dips down a little bit. But if you do content, you put out weekly content, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. We actually have other videos that show you how to dive in and do content with our content marketing pyramid. We're going to link that one up in the notes below. Check out the content marketing pyramid. That's going to give you your content plan for the next year to stack on top of this. It's only about 30 minutes a week, y'all. So don't say that sounds like a lot of work. It's more of just adopting a different mindset in your marketing, adopting rather than transactional quick hit marketing. It's relational and expert building and trust building marketing, stuff that sticks, stuff that builds relationship and clients that want to work with you over and over again, not ones who are going to work with you because you've got the lowest commission on the block. Okay. So rather than just launching Facebook ads and that being your own thing, you need to do content. But here's what we tell people to do. In that first month, you're going to want to launch a website and start to get some unique content on there. Get a good about page up there to build credibility. Get your reviews. If you have a bunch of Zillow reviews, if you have a bunch of Google reviews, Facebook reviews, mention those reviews. Take your best ones and put them on your website. Because when people are going to Google search you, they need to find your website. You need to control the conversation around your brand, around your name. When you do, you're going to have a higher lead to close ratio. Your conversions are going to go up. Okay. The next thing you need to do is now place that Facebook pixel on your website and start putting content on Facebook. The first month, don't do any ads on Facebook. Just focus on content the first month. Put up short form content that educates, that builds credibility, that shows your expertise, that adds value to your market. And you're going to start to build an audience, okay? In that audience, then you're going to start to be able to build an audience of highly engaged people. Now, those highly engaged people, the ones who watch a certain percentage of your videos, let's say 50% in this case or 30%, those are the people that you're going to now serve up ads to. Okay, you're going to serve up ads to those people. It's going to be ads that talk about properties that you have for sale. It's going to be ads that talk about comparing you against other agents. It's going to be ads that really get people to want to interact and engage with you. Hey, get your home value report. Hey, are you interested in the river homes for sale? Whatever your niches are. Okay, but third, in that first quarter, you want to really start to focus on content. Dive into our content marketing pyramid. The crux of it is this, is pick your niches and pick your locations. Okay, what are the locations that you work in? It could be here in Roseburg, Oregon, it's a small town. It could be the different towns around the area. It could be the neighborhoods in the area. And you want to launch a location landing page for each one of those neighborhoods or towns or developments or whatever it is that you find people searching online in the niches that you focus on. And then next, you want to create content around your niches. So let's say that you you used to be a nurse for 30 years. And you want to really help medical professionals as one of your niches. You could create a whole piece of content or a whole series of content on your website about the problems, questions, things that people that are looking to move to your area for the medical profession might be asking. Hey, what are the best areas for shopping? What are the best areas for town for medical professionals? Or what parts of town are the best parts of town? Because that's probably where they're going to want to be searching. Set up a page for those types of searches. Best places to live in Roseburg, Oregon. And you create good content on that page, educate them, build credibility and trust with you. Okay, at the same time, maybe right there around month 2, you're going to start to do the Facebook ads. But here's where it's big, guys and gals. You have to be looking at the overall long-term vision of your marketing. If you want that momentum, if you want the predictability, if you want the consistency, it's not going to happen just by posting Facebook ads to landing pages. Okay, that's what you do in the short term. That's what you do in the short term. Do things in the short term that get leads fast. In the long term, you have to do things that build momentum. Otherwise, you're always going to be on that marketing hamster wheel. Content, credibility builds momentum. We have a couple features that you might find crazy useful. Our location landing pages help you outrank Zillow if you use them correctly. If you were to search a phrase like North Umpqua River Homes for sale here in Roseburg, Oregon, you're going to find a Carrot client outranking Zillow after using our location landing page feature, building content and expertise, and it generates leads for them each and every month of really highly qualified, high income people who are wanting to buy homes in this river. The next thing you can do is use our video post feature. Now, video post takes your 3 to 5 minute videos. You just take your cell phone and you're out there on the job. And this is where your content marketing plan can be less than 30 minutes a week. You take your cell phone every week and you think about your niches. What niches do I want to focus in and that I can specialize in more than some others? And I'm just going to use the river homes example. Let's say I'm the best agent for buying and selling homes on this particular river. Every time I'm out there at a house or whenever I think about it, I'm going to take out that cell phone and go, hey, this is Trevor. I'm out here at a home on the North Umpqua River. And if you're looking to buy or sell a home here on the North Umpqua River, I've got a couple things that you're going to want to know. Now, first of all, in this video, I'm going to be walking through the different parts of the North Umpqua River and how this side of the river is different than this side and how and where you might want to live. So I'm going to talk about the differences in home values and differences in the different parts of the river. The next video, I might take it out next time I'm out there and go, hey, this is Trevor. I'm out here at a North Umpqua River home And one thing you're gonna have to think about is your water situation. Do you get the water out of the river? Do you drill a well? What is your water situation? I'm gonna walk you through I'm gonna walk you through the most common ways that people get their water if you're buying a home on the North Umpqua River. Create a whole series of those videos. Every week, just pop one out, 3 to 5 minutes long, put it into our feature called Video Post, which then automatically turns your videos into written content for you. And that's it, y'all. That first month, it might be a few hours of time putting content together, okay? And then you're gonna be about 30 minutes a week is all to build this momentum. That's what builds this momentum. Every single time you put a web page up on your website, it adds a spot for someone to find you. It adds a spot for someone to go build credibility and trust with you. But here's the key. That website and that web page has to be set up correctly so it ranks really high in Google for the phrases that your prospects are searching. We have other videos that teach you how to do that, and that's what we do best here at Care. We help you stand out online, build credibility and trust. I'm going to finish with this. This right here is just like a stool, and I find so many real estate agents that actually aren't, they're not protecting their business or their lead flow very well because they only have one type of marketing method or maybe two going. And if you can picture how a stool works, okay, a stool cannot stand on its own if it only has one or two legs. If you get off of the stool, it falls over. So therefore, you're always supporting your business. That stool is your business. You're always supporting it if you only have one or two marketing methods. You can't get off it, otherwise it's gonna crash. You can't take vacations. You're always gonna be stressed out. You're always gonna be wondering where the next leads are coming from. But then as soon as you add that third leg to the stool, there could be a third marketing method. In this case, it could be Facebook, Google, which is content, which is what we specialize in. And then over here, it could be networking. You start to add stability to your business. And the biggest form of marketing that agents right now are ignoring is Google. And it's the biggest opportunity that you've got, okay? Every single one of your prospects are actually going to Google and they're researching, they're vetting and verifying, they're typing in phrases, and you could be the one standing in front of them to be able to add value, add credibility, and have them work with you, okay? So that's your marketing plan right there. The first month is this, then every month after that, you're just doing one video a week. You add in location pages as you're gonna tackle new stuff, and then you put those into your ads in Facebook. Those niche-based videos that you're filming over here, you put them into your ads on Facebook. You get engagement on Facebook, and then you continue to drive them back to your website to landing pages specific to that niche, okay? If you have any questions, let us know. We're gonna be doing videos like this more and more, diving into all those details I just gave you in really, really good detail. This was high-level stuff here, y'all. We're gonna be diving into each spot in detail more as we go. Go check out our YouTube channel, subscribe so you get first notification when any new videos come out. And if we can help you at Carrot, if we can help you control the conversation online, get your best clients, get consistency, get predictability, just go to carrot.com and check us out.